everybody, WolfDude here, and today I'm going to be showing you all how to make a YouTube intro completely for free with no extra work needed. So, this is https://panzoid.com/tools/clipmaker. So, now that you're at that website, you can either do a new project, load project, save project, or if you're lazy, you can just pick one of these. So I'm pretty sure I used this whenever I made my old one, but I'm gonna make a new one right now. So you want to click on one. You want to click on that one. And then it'll start loading it. And then here it is right here. And if you want to play it. So that's pretty cool. But then you see, I'm going to see how long this is. So, it's 12 seconds long though. But that's kind of better than a 58 seconds long one. So, once you get this one here, you want the objects. And then you go to the text. And then instead of name, you put your channel name. So I'm gonna put WolfdudeG. And you click off of it, and there you go. But it may be a little bit big for it, but if that happens, you just want to play it to see if everything works fine. Let's say everything works fine. So, and then after you're done with it, I mean, it's like literally as simple as that. You want to go to project, then save project. Then I'll go to saving. Your save file is ready. Click below to download. Then you click download the project file. And it'll say, thank you for using Panzoid. Your download is starting. ... Send us your suggestions and feedback. So we're waiting on this to load. I'll go ahead and cut ahead in the video for whenever this stops downloading. Okay, so that's not what you want to do. You want to get this part here and that download, then click start video render, then it'll start rendering your video, and I'm going to skip ahead in the video until that's finished.
Who's that Pokemon?
Okay, so now that you're done with that, you want to first proofread it. So, proof watch it, I mean. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. But then, right whenever you proof watch it, you can post the video and title it My New Intro. So since I've already did that, you put it in there, then you title it My New Intro. With 3 exclamation points, you have to add those 3 exclamation points in the description. I made this using Panzoid. And then tags Panzoid new intro and then WolfdudeG. So I'm going to set this as thumbnail. And then you click publish. So now it's saved. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video here. Thank you guys for watching. Always remember to slap that like button as hard as you can. Just whack that subscribe button and slam down that little bell. And peace out, everybody.